how to go through each one of these problems. So the first one says 2 large sodas contain the same amount as 3 medium sodas, and 2 medium sodas contain the same amount as 3 small sodas. How many sodas contain the same amount as 8 large sodas? So when looking through this, the main important thing is we obviously have some ratios, right? That we can compare how many sodas, especially like 2 large sodas, to 3 medium. So you could say 2 large sodas contain the same amount as 3 medium. So you could say 2 large over 3 medium, right? That is a ratio. There's 2 large sodas, or 2 large sodas compare over to 3 medium. And then the other one that they gave us was 2 medium sodas contain the same amount as 3 small sodas. Does everybody agree with me with these kind of 2 ratios, right? And then basically what they're asking us is how many small sodas contain the same amount as 8 large sodas. So the problem is we know how to go from large to medium, and we know how to go from medium to small. But what we need to be able to do is figure out how many larges we can go to the small. So what I'm going to do is we're going to want to go ahead and create a ratio of converting the large to medium, because we can convert how many, it says how many small sodas contain the same amount as 8 large sodas. If we can convert 8 large sodas to how many mediums that would be, then we can use the mediums to figure out the small. So it says, so if we had 8 large, how many mediums would that be? Does everybody see what I did or why I did it, though? The math's the main important thing. Again, we're trying to convert from largest to small. Now, I have largest to mediums and mediums to small. So the common kind of denominator in this fact is mediums. If I can figure out how many mediums are compared to for 8 larges, then I can use that number to figure out the smalls. And yeah, you can just apply cross multiplication here. And you have 24 is equal to 2x divided by 2 divided by 2. X equals 12. So therefore, for 8 larges, that's 12 mediums. Does that make sense? Yes? Maybe? Maybe? Kind of? Yes? Then, if I know we have 12 mediums, then I can just say 12 mediums is how many smalls? And again, we apply the cross product. Again, we are applying the cross product, ladies and gentlemen, because we have a proportion, not because we are multiplying fractions. Because from your fractions test, remember, multiplying fractions, we just multiply across, right? Right? OK, good talk. So therefore, x equals 18 small beverages. Got it, Tyler? Did you get it? Good.